Here is how to make your Instagram post private. For that, open your Instagram, go to the post, select any of the random photo or the video that you want to make as a post. So click on next. Here you can find music, you can add text, you can add filters. So tap on next. Here, if you scroll down, you can find audience. So from here, you can select who can see your post. So if you want to make it private, you can choose close friends and you can add people. See here, you can add people, whether your followers are following it, whomever you can click or you can select. Those people can only view your post. So this is new feature for Instagram. If you can find this, the other way is that go to your profile, and if you have posted that, so go to top three lines. Here you can find archive. What archive will do is that it will hide your posts from your Instagram, but you can see that post. None of others can view your archive photos. This is how you can make Instagram post private. Thank you.